What is this? I have no idea what this is. It's syrup. What? Syrup. Oh, it's a drink. What? Read it? Read it. I live for you to read. In the dark. Shadows of the dark. What's it say? Can you read it to me, please? What is this? Planetone. It's like planetary, intergalactic. Wow. We'll explore that later. It looks off. It's tilapia. Wonder what it's like. We'll have to read up, see what the hell's going on here. Satana, pineapple, cinnamon, banoffee? Banoffee? Oh my God, it better be good. What is this? Alright. I can't even open it. I don't know what this is, man. I don't think we're getting in. Right, we're not getting in, you can't have it on. How annoying is this? Nah, 0 out of 1 for openability. If you're desperate for a drink, you're not getting one. Jeepers creepers. Come on. Seriously, you're not getting a drink. Oh, it's ridiculous. Right. We're still not in. Right, they don't want you to drink this stuff. I'm telling you. Come on. You've got no nails. Alright, I'm in. No, I'm not. Yes, I am. They're not. Right, we're in. Yeah, it's on the rocks. Suck your jocks. Nosy Rosie. Good old Australian. Very smooth. Extremely smooth. It's like I'm drinking nothing. It's like, tastes like water. It's water. It's just water. Nah, that's alright. Whatever it is. That's my opinion. Good tasting water.